Talk to Grandma. Are you at the park?
Yeah.
With the purple slide?
Yeah.
Down Grandma's park?
Yeah.
Okay. Here goes Ellie. She's going to go down this slide. There she comes. Out the bottom. And she's running. She's going to come back up the stairs to Graham. Anything you want to say to anybody? Want to say hi, Grandpa?
Hi, Grandma.
Hey, Grandpa. Say hi to Grandpa so I can take him and show him the movie.
Hi, Grandpa.
Very nice. Hi, Ella. Grandpa would say hello right back. Do you want me to hold that?
Can you turn it on?
Yeah. Oh, I think it is on, honey. It's on. It just doesn't really show because it's not dark out. Ooh. You gonna go down the slide with it? Okay, here goes Ella down the tunnel. Goodbye, Ella. Here she comes again. She's coming running. Where is she? Here she comes. There she is. Here she comes down the tunnel. Woo-wee! Here she comes again. So how do you like the kitten?
Good.
It's pretty good. What did you do last night when you were sleeping? What was he doing when you were trying to sleep, Al? You get on the bumpy?